It's the Fairy Queen, and I'm back with another motherfucking slay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is the original fairy godmother, and today's look was inspired by, of course, the one and only Wonder Woman. And you guys should be expecting Halloween looks from me all month long. Like, let me move up. Do y'all see that? That's crazy. Okay, but y'all, I had so much fun creating this look. I enjoyed myself. Like, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And you know, let me know how y'all feeling this, because I am in love. You got first thing we're gonna do is go in with our Bad Habit Inferno palette, and we're gonna go in with that color Bonfire as our transition color. Next, I'm taking the shade Smother, and I'm going to pack that right into my crease and then blend. Now I'm taking this Pigment Shimmer, I forgot where I got it from, and we're going to create a cut crease using that. No concealer today, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a feisty ass wing, y'all. Come on with the wing, come on. I'm gonna go in with this gold glitter liner from NYX, and I'm gonna put that above the black liner and into my crease. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild matte face primer, and I'm going to spread that all over my face. Alright y'all, it's the same routine from here on out, so enjoy. I'll be back later. Now I'm going to go back in with the same black liner, and what I'm going to do is trace the outside of my brow. And all I'm doing right here is drawing marks on the actual brow to make it pop like in a comic book way. I am so sorry, my phone died in the middle of recording and I didn't realize that, but all I did was take my marker liner and draw the patch and then shaded it in with that same shimmer gold we use for our eyelids. Now it's time to structure the face, and all I'm going to do is go in with that same liner, and we're just going to draw different lines on different part of our face to really give it that comic book feel. Now all I'm doing here is taking my white eyeliner from Ruby Kisses just to highlight the black liner and give it a little pop. Now for the fun part, I'm going to grab my liquid latex glue from Party City and I'm going to spread that on the side of my face with a little brush. After we're done spreading our glue, we're going to go ahead and grab some cotton balls that I did purchase from Family Dollars, and we're going to rip it apart and place it on top of the glue. Once that's done, we're going to go back in with the glue and we're going to spread that on top of the cotton. After we're done with that, we're going to let the glue sit and dry before we do anything else. Once our glue is completely dry, we're going to go ahead and cut a hole into the glue. We're going to go back in with the same glue and we're going to spread it inside the hole. Then we're going to take a little piece of cotton and we're going to spread that right inside of the hole. Now we're going to go in with our foundation to blend it in with our face. once we spread the foundation with the foundation brush, we're going to go ahead and grab a beauty blender to make sure everything is blended in. I'm going to grab a blending brush and my Morphe 35B palette, and we're going to go into that black just to give the wound a more realistic look. Now with another blending brush, we're going to go into that red and we're going to blend it into the black to give it a more bloody look. Now we're going to grab that same red eyeshadow and we're going to blend it directly inside of the cut. Now I'm going to grab some gooey fake blood that I also purchased from Party City, and we're going to place that inside of the cut. And all I'm doing here is spreading the blood with a little brush to give it a more realistic look. I'm taking my black liner to trace the outside of my lips. Now we're going to go in with my highlighter called Fairy Dust, and we're going to spread that on my cheek, my one cheek, my nose, and my chin. So I forgot to purchase a red marker. I'm going to go ahead and grab my BH Cosmetic red lipstick, and I'm going to go ahead and draw my star.